Shipbuilding career in Canada. Once you receive your ticket, whether Interprovincial Red Seal or BC Certificate of Qualification, you will be recognized as a skilled professional in your trade. 1 Shipfitter. Lays out and fabricates metal structural parts, such as plates, bulkheads, and frames, and braces them in position within the hull of the ship for riveting or welding, lays out position of parts on metal working from blueprints or templates and using scribe and hand tools. Locates and marks reference lines, such as center, buttock, and frame lines. Positions parts in hull of ship, assisted by rigger. Aligns parts in relation to each other, using jacks, turnbuckles, clips, wedges, and mauls. Marks location of holes to be drilled and installs temporary fasteners to hold part in place for welding or riveting. Installs packing, gaskets, liners, and structural accessories and members, such as doors, hatches, brackets, and clips. May prepare templates for fabrication of non-standard parts. May tack weld clips and brackets in place prior to permanent welding. May roll, bend, flange, cut, and shape plates, beams, and other heavy metal parts, using shop machinery, such as plate rolls, presses, bending brakes, and joggle machines. 2 Journeyperson welders. Minimum of 30 months verified welding experience, any documented training courses. Pass CWB, SMAW, FCAW all position ticket. Demonstrate reasonable hand burning proficiency in all positions. Demonstrate reasonable air gouging proficiency in all positions. And any other standards the parties mutually agree to in the future. 3 Riggers. Riggers are responsible for moving heavy loads between the dock and naval vessel by using the appropriate combination of cables, winches, nets and other rigging gear. They're responsible for determining the appropriate logistical techniques and points of suspension for each load transported. Riggers must be able to manufacture rigging gear, including slings and nets, and must be experienced crane operators. Riggers frequently handle dock lines to assist vessels in docking and disembarking. 4 Docking crew. Docking crew are responsible for the movement of all blocks being moved from location to location. They will take all drawings and make sure the SPMT and support blocks are in the correct position. All blocks must be shot and leveled before they are set down so other crews can access them to work on safely. Docking crew also lifts all barges, tugs, and yachts out of the water and onto land for work to be completed by all trades. Docking crew also make sure that all tugs, barges, and yachts tied up at VSY docks are secured. Docking crew also does 80% of the maintenance on the synchro lift and repairs to docks and floats. Docking crew also takes blocks from blocks/units from other yards, transfers them from land onto barges and brings them back to VSY and then transfers them from the barge to land. 5 Painters/sandblasters. Spray paints and sandblasts vessels using spray gun and sandblasting equipment, cleans grease, dirt, dried concrete, old paint, and rust from equipment, using solvent, water, rags, brushes, pneumatic wire brush, and chipping hammer. Cleans and prepares surface for painting, using air-powered sandblasting equipment. Applies paper and masking tape to protect unpainted surfaces, such as windows and trim. Stencils lettering and other identifying information on vehicles according to specifications. Paints areas inaccessible to spray gun, using paintbrush. Disassembles paint and sandblasting equipment and cleans equipment, using solvent, wire brushes, and dry cloth. Perform general labor duties, sweeping, power washing vessels, cleaning out tanks, etc. 6 Stagers. Stagers erect and dismantle scaffolding to provide work platforms and handrails on vessels under construction or in for repairs. 7 Joiner. A marine joiner is someone familiar with the installation of the ship interior, such as joiner bulkhead panels, panel tracks, ceilings, galley equipment, bunks, lockers, tables, and any other ship furnishings. Installs or assists in the installation and or construction of bulkheads, ceiling panels, doors and trim, windows, rails, hardware and any other related construction activities. Installs or assists in the installation of insulation of compartment floors, ceilings, or interior/exterior walls. Uses tools and equipment in an efficient and safe manner for daily activities. Installs or assists in caulking to windows, doors, wash basins, and toilet and shower modules. Installs or assists in the installation of adhesives, tiles and carpeting of compartments. Reviews compartment blueprints and sketch system to assist in construction. 8 Storesmen/laborers. A storesman is responsible for shipping and receiving, allocating supplies when requested by the various trades and keeping track of steel inventory and allocating supplies when needed. Shipyard laborers provide a variety of services in the shipbuilding and repair industry, including cleaning the yard, materials delivery, setting up for specified work on a vessel, preparing vessel surfaces, performing fire watch and hull watch duties, and assisting other shipyard workers and trades as required.